Hey, man, we got an easy go here with series motor. No shunt motor now, just a series motor. I want to show you how to, if you've already watched my other videos and did the test of testing the controller, testing the forward and reverse board, testing the micro switches, and you get no power, and if you jump the controller and you still have no running, I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna tell you how to do it, man, how to test the motor on the car. What you want to do is, you got your, let's see here, you can't see, this is A1, let's give it A1, A2, S1, S2. All right, what you want to do is take your battery wire, hit the gas, and then take you a battery wire, hit the gas in forward, key on, jump it from here. So you want to jump it from A2 to S1, or vice versa, A1 to S2. But don't connect it, you want to just take it and scrape it across it. And let's see. Now this car here has no batteries in it, so it's probably going to be easier to do than one that has batteries. But what you want to do, let me show you here, is take it. I always take it to hook it to the eye, and while you have somebody hit the gas, you just arc it like that, all right? And then if it sparks, you know you got voltage at the motor, meaning the motor's bad. If it doesn't spark, and you've done all the other tests and the controller's good, more likely your forward and reverse board's bad. All right, man, I just want to show you that quick test, man. Y'all stay tuned, fellas.